and welcome to another TPOS tutorial. In this video, I will demonstrate how to file a request for RIWT, Certificate of Exemption. First, you need to log in with your correct user ID and password. Once logged into your account, select the Request tile. Click Certificates, then select Request for RIWT, Certificate of Exemption. Please read these instructions carefully before proceeding. Check the box once you have read and understood. Click Continue to proceed to the Details page. Here you'll need to choose Yes or No for Are you a resident of Fiji for tax purposes? For this demo, we will choose Yes. Then you'll need to specify the type of interest you earn from the drop-down. Click Continue to proceed to the next step. Once loaded, click the Add New button and enter your details as per the relevant fields displayed. Should you have more than one account, you can click the Add New button to add additional entry fields. Once done, click Save to save the form before uploading your supporting documents. Once all your documents are uploaded, check the declaration box. Click Submit. Note that you will get a message prompting you to clear any overdue filing obligations, or your application may be rejected. We hope that you have been able to follow through. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for more tutorial videos. For more information or queries, please email info@frcs.org.fj.